What's up everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Jack.
And today we're doing the Rubber Band Racer Ramp Roll Lab. In order to complete this lab, you're going to need a few things, starting with a completed Rubber Band Racer. If you're not sure how to build this guy, check out our build video. It'll show you how to do it.
You're also going to need something to make your ramp. We recommend a trifold science fair board. Ours is made out of cardboard, but foam core actually works better. To turn this into a ramp, you're also going to need scissors, duct tape, something to measure with, and a marker.
If you can't find a trifold, you can also use other stuff, such as a big piece of wood.
And some books to lean it on.
Whee! Maybe not so steep, but you get the idea. Remove this piece of lumber out. Get yourself some Teacher Geek lumber. This is our heaviest component. I got a splinter.
Cut the sides of the trifold board diagonally. Then cut the tips off of those triangles. And secure it all together with tape. Next, measure and label every 15 centimeters or 6 inches going up the ramp. To complete this lab, you're going to need a smooth, flat area about 10 meters or 30 feet long. Add tape to the ground every meter or 3 feet and label it. Now that your ramp is set up, follow the instructions in your lab document to experiment with the height of the racer and the distance it goes.
And that's how you do the Rubber Band Racer Ramp Roll Lab. Until next time, happy testing. Ooh.